guys, just got this in the mail and it's way smaller than what I thought. If you look at my hand, the box itself is really small, so I'm excited about that because I thought these guys would get in the way, but yeah, they're much smaller than what I thought they would be. Anyways, I'm gonna take them out of the box so you guys can see. So they do come with batteries, it seems. So these are the regular AA batteries, not AAA's but AA's. Same deal. Now we do have two of these guys. Again, they're smaller than what I thought they would be. So I'm really happy about that actually. So I'm just gonna put that on the side, take out the other one, put that on the side, and there's nothing else in the box. Alright, so they do have this plastic wrap around them. I'm just gonna take that out. Alright, and on the stickers you guys can see actually how this works. So there's one way where you just put it and then Roomba wouldn't go near that place, just around it. And then there's another mode where it just does kind of like a laser type of thing, so it doesn't go through that line. So right here we do have those two options. We can put it down, so that way it won't go near this thing, or we can put that line, so anything in front of it, it's just not gonna cross that line. So if we put that like that, it's just not gonna cross through, and it's very small, so I'm really happy about that. So in my case, I only need one of them, but it was on special, so two of them cost me basically the same thing as one of them. So that was great. And these guys, I did purchase them from a store versus from the company itself directly from their website, because it's just cheaper. So I was able to do that. Now, again, they look very small. They're very light. Down here is where we would place the battery, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And there we go. So right now it's off. If I turn it on, so this way, there we go. So that would emit that light. You guys can barely see that in the video. And then if I turn that on, like so, emits the light again. That just lets you know that it's turned on. And right now, it wouldn't just pass that line. So that's why these things are very important. I noticed that although my Roomba doesn't fall down my stairs, it does get stuck sometimes in that transition between the stairs and the floor. So that's why I needed to purchase one of these, just so it works properly. And I didn't want to really put a barrier there between the stairs so it wouldn't get stuck there. And that's the only part where my Roomba at the time gets stuck. So that's why I bought these, and I'm going to use these for sure. I will show you right now, guys, how this works. But as for this video, you guys saw exactly what's in the box. Again, you guys would be seeing this video itself that these things are very small, which is great. They're no bigger than an iPhone. Obviously, they're thicker than an iPhone, but they're no bigger than an iPhone itself. Anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure to comment, subscribe if you have any questions. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.